How's it going?
Very good, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, I'm alright.
Go on, I just finished this.
Please do not sorry to interrupt you.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Got that down. मैं आ रहा हूँ दोबारा वो जब वो लंबा आदमी आएगा हाँ ठीक है What is the event all about? Hi Prachi. The event, it's about, well, we're felicitating this NBA star. His name is Chris Bosh. He plays for the Miami Heat. So we're trying to make basketball, people more aware of basketball in India, make it a better sport. A lot of people know about it, but now with him coming in, it just gives more awareness.
So India is a cricket obsessed country, so how about basketball?
India is cricket obsessed, but we're trying to make every other sport also as admirable and as fun to watch. So besides cricket, there's football and basketball, which are very prominent today.
As an individual, how much do you follow basketball?
Very much. I play it and I follow it. So the NBA is what I follow, and I play the game pretty often. So.
Prachi! How are you darling? Incredible basketball.
Excuse me.
सर साथ में
Yeah.
आइए मैम आप आइए साथ में
लेना हाँ बैठ हाँ ले लो मेरे को
Thank you.
I used to play when I played when I was in school. I have to guiltily admit that I do not follow too much of basketball, but but Mr. Bosch is a legend in basketball, and it's a great honor to be hosting him.
So India is a cricket obsessed country, so how far especially basketball be getting in India?
Sorry? India is cricket obsessed, yeah. I guess it'll take time, but the good thing is that I think most sports are coming in, most of them. So very soon we'll have basketball too, yeah. We have the NBA here, so I mean that's the biggest basketball organization there ever is.
Basketball in India?
I hope so. I hope more people go out and play basketball. It's a great sport and should be promoted as much as we can. Any sport should be promoted.
Thanks, buddy.
How far you follow the game of basketball as an individual?
I followed basketball since Scottie Pippen was playing, so I follow basketball a lot.
But you know India is a cricket obsessed country, so how far the space is for basketball?
I think basketball will grow like every other sport. I mean, cricket is huge, but I think every sport will slowly grow, and the more awareness there is, the more people follow it.
But you corporates support the profit motive. How far the corporate will support this game?
India will find profits, don't worry. It's India.
Who's your favorite basketball player?
I love Miami Heats and I love all the players, so I'm really happy that Chris Bosh is here. It's huge.
Here, one more. I'm super excited because I'm a basketball follower, big basketball fan, and I'm a Miami Heat fan. I'm very excited. Well, there are quite a few of them, but Chris Bosh is in the top 5. So, again, that's why I'm listening to because I'm a big fan. American. Am I supposed to tap the camera?
Left please. 1 minute. Camera look.
Yeah. She answered my questions. I love her questions.
What are the questions?
Passion for basketball.
My passion for basketball. My son is very into basketball, and that's the extent of my passion for basketball.
But you know it's a cricket obsessed country, so how far basketball be getting the space in India?
You know what? Basketball is a very exciting sport, and it's very score-oriented, which is what cricket is as well. The cricket we see now is very quick and fast-paced, as is basketball. So I think it could easily pick up and be as fun to watch. I used to many years ago when I used to follow the NBA and I used to love it, but that was the Dennis Rodman time. So I can see it being quite interesting and exciting. I better say Chris is my favorite for the moment. Thank you.
So in a cricket obsessed country like India, how much space will basketball be getting in the future?
How much?
Space basketball will be getting in the future, sir, in India.
Well, basketball is a sport that the youth of India is following very closely now, and our endeavor is to bring global sporting brands to India, and NBA is a very strong, powerful global brand. Which, if you talk about basketball, it's NBA, and we are very proud to be associated with NBA in this market, and we carry the NBA games live on our channel, Sony 6, and have received very good response from the viewers. And today we have one of the superstars of the NBA world, Chris Bosh, with us here, and it's a very exciting moment for us as well as for our viewers.
So when would be the concept like NBA coming to India?
NBA has set up their base now in India. They have coaches on ground, and they are working. They're working with children as well as the youth to get them involved in the game of basketball, to train them. They run clinics regularly, and I feel confident in a few years' time you'll see a star from India emerging, which will play eventually in NBA.
So in the country like India, can the popularity match with the game of cricket? Can the popularity of the basketball be matched with the game of cricket in India?
To be honest, as of today, no. Cricket is a very, very popular sport, but in the recent times we've seen that while the popularity of cricket has stayed where it was, the young people of India have started following new sports, and basketball is one of them. And give it some time, give it a few years, and you will see that it will become extremely popular in the country. Thank you.
That's Neil.
Yes, sir. All of you. Yes. One more. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, excuse me, sir. Just media bank. Adrian. So this is the first time you're coming to India?
Yes, first time. It's my first visit.
How did you find the country at first?
It's busy. Everybody's very friendly. You know, I love the culture. I love Indian food. So I've just been enjoying my time. Everyone's shown me a great time, and I've really enjoyed myself.
What is the purpose of coming to India right now?
Well, of course, we're here with the NBA to promote the game of basketball and, you know, try to make the game grow, get the younger generation more interested in the sport, and, you know, hopefully it can grow as we continue to push that message. And, you know, we're hoping that a lot more guys out here will play basketball.
Did you find Indian people interested in basketball as such?
Well, yeah, we understood that the interest wasn't very high. We knew it was we were gonna have to do a lot of work to get people interested. But you know, sometimes that's all it takes is to get kids into it, and I'm sure the game will grow because it's a great game.
India is a cricket obsessed country. So, what is the future of basketball in India?
You want me to talk into the camera?
Yeah.
Well, I think you know, the future's very bright here. I know, you know, I've always joked with people we're not trying to take over cricket. Cricket will always be the main sport here in India, but we're just trying to get people interested. We want to show that it doesn't take much to play the game of basketball, and hopefully our kids will take on.
Thanks, Boss.